Hello, Sleek Bill users. Welcome back to the Sleek Bill Knowledge Hub. Are you wondering how to show the shipping address on your invoices? Don't worry, it's super simple. Sometimes your customer's billing address and delivery address are different. In such cases, showing the shipping address on the invoice helps avoid delivery mistakes and makes your invoice look more professional. Here's how you can enable it in Sleek Bill. First, open your browser and visit www.sleekbill.in. Now, click on the Login button. Enter your email ID and password, then click on Sign In. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the Preferences section. Next, click on the Invoice tab. Here, you will find the option called Show Shipping Address. Simply turn it on.
After that, simply click on the Save button.
And that's it. From now on, the shipping address will automatically appear on all your new invoices. This feature is especially useful for businesses involved in delivery, trading, and online sales.
With Sleek Bill, you can easily customize your invoices for better accuracy, compliance, and a professional appearance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful Sleek Bill tutorials.